Hello everyone, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. In today's online class, we will start a new chapter of Book 4, Term 3. But before we start, please mention your name and section in the comment box. And just tell me how many of you like to have cookies. If you like to have, put down quickly as a comment under this video. Now, you must have got an idea that we are going to do chapter number 2, and that is The Gingerbread Man. And in the story you will see how the gingerbread man runs so that nobody can eat him up. Let's find out who eats the gingerbread man. One day, the cook decided to make a gingerbread man for little Bobby. For that, she mixed flour, water, ginger and some other things. Then she rolled out a beautiful smooth dough and she gave it a shape of little gingerbread man. She thought of making a pretty sugary hat for him. She made 2 ears, a tiny nose, a beautiful mouth using a big raisin. She also made 2 bright eyes, and the eyes were made out of almonds. After that, he was ready for baking. Cook popped him into the oven and the cook got busy with her work. While she was busy with her work, she suddenly remembered the gingerbread man. She rushed to the oven and opened it. The gingerbread man jumped off the oven and ran across the kitchen floor, then towards the back door. Then cook called out to the sleeping cat named Mouser to try and stop the gingerbread man. But the gingerbread man was too clever and passed from under Mouser's tail and escaped into the garden behind. The cook continued calling the cat, "Mouser, Mouser, stop the gingerbread man. I want him for little Bobby." Then the cook started following Mouser into the garden as she wanted the gingerbread man for little Bobby. Now, at the bottom of the walk, lying fast asleep in the sun against the warm stones of the garden wall, was Towser, the dog. On seeing him, the cook started calling the dog, "Towser, Towser, please stop the gingerbread man. I want him for little Bobby." Towser jumped up, but the gingerbread man quickly climbed up the stone wall. Towser, Mouser and the cook fell on top of each other as they were all running hard. Cook, Mouser and the Towser were scratched and bruised, and the gingerbread man was saying, "Run, run, fast as you can. You can't catch me. I am the gingerbread man." Mouser went back to the kitchen. Cook got up and she ran after the gingerbread man for little Bobby. The dog, who was very cross on his fall, now ran after Cook. Seeing them coming, the gingerbread man jumped on the other side and ran across the field. Now, in the middle of the field was a tree, and at the foot of the tree was Joko, and the Joko was the monkey. He wasn't asleep, and when he saw the little man running across the field with the cook calling out to him, he at once gave one big jump. But the clever little gingerbread man climbed onto the tree. Now, on seeing Joko, the cook started calling him, "Joko, Joko, please stop the gingerbread man." And on the other side, the gingerbread man was thinking, "I know the dog can't climb a tree and the old cook can't climb a tree, and as for the monkey, I am not sure, for I have never seen a monkey before, but I am going up." Now, Joko quickly climbed up to the top of the tree stretched out his hand and brought the little gingerbread man in. And at this time, the gingerbread man was saying, "Climb, climb, fast as you can. You can't catch me. I am the gingerbread man." And you know, children, what was Bobby doing all the while when the gingerbread man was running around? Little Bobby had been sleeping all this while. Now he came running up. He was feeling so hungry. He looked at the gingerbread man in Joko's hand hungrily. Then Bobby said, "Drop it, Joko. I want to eat this gingerbread man. I am feeling so hungry." And Joko gave little gingerbread man to little Bobby. On getting the little gingerbread man in his hand, little Bobby gave one big bite and swallowed down the head. On this, the gingerbread man says, "Oh, I am 1/3 gone." Then Bobby took another big bite of the gingerbread man and swallowed the rest of the body and the arms. Little Bobby praised the cook and said, "Oh, how delicious he is, dear cook." Now finally, Bobby took a last big bite of the gingerbread man and ate his legs. And on this, gingerbread man says, "Oh, I am all gone." So my dear children, this is all about the journey of the gingerbread man, how he was running all around, but finally Bobby ate up the gingerbread man. I hope you all have understood the story. That's all for today, and please do check the PDF for written work. Those who have already done it, please don't repeat. Thank you for watching this video, and to stay connected, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye everyone, take care.